out here. We dropping one off. Gonna pick up one. My man said, Rob, you picking up your car? Let me get on. So I said, all right, get on. So we're gonna drop this one. Got my peoples and pick up mine. We're gonna see it all. Gotta go. Yeah, so like I said, what year car is this, Ron?
71.
71. So my man Ron, yeah.
You got something in it?
Yeah, I got look in the back of the toolbox, to backpack, junkyard backpack that got stuff in it. Yeah, we're gonna take it down here and get him refreshing, you know. 71 Chevelle, very 72 or 71, very, what's the word I'm looking for? Desirable car. And it seems it's in pretty good condition already, but he's gonna like I said, refresh it and bring it back to life, you know. He just wants to get the paint done, so you know, he already got the new top, so we're gonna make it do what it do.
With us today, y'all.
Here we go, we got the peoples with us, and this is what we did here. Take the car to the San Ysidro border in this parking lot over here. Bring the U-Haul trailer here. Drop the car off the trailer. From there, we're gonna leave the trailer in this parking lot. And drive the car over and the truck over. We're gonna get the other car, bring the other car back, and put it on the trailer and pull out. So that's the plan. As you see, the Malibu needs a little rust work and whatnot. So we can go get the estimate to see what's going on with it. So here we go. Let's go for the debut. Let's walk through and see what we got going here.
Bring it on trailer?
Yeah, you can bring on the trailer. Yeah.
Oops. The polishing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, they still more work to do? Okay.
You have the picture.
Oh, yeah. You got the.
Yeah.
We gonna eat that.
Yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to get to it. Yeah. I'm almost knock it over on the floor to get it, but I'm gonna get it now. Ah, yeah.
I thought we eating it, mate. Oh, man.
Yeah, man.
Eating, man.
Yeah, man. They working over there.
Y'all eating.
This is what it looked like when you come through the border at the wrong time. Puckett, how was your day today, man?
My day was good. We got a lot accomplished, got some things done,
That's
some
yeah.
potential new business. But now as we try to come home, as you can see, we had a mini flea market out here. It looks like it's you know, wheel and deal in the middle of the freeway, just trying to get back across. But
and they got everything sell. Well, not everything, but you know what I'm saying. They got it's all portable. Yeah. Anything they can sell. Look, we got chips on wheels coming at me. Yeah, you got blankets, sunglasses, ponchos, hats, watermelon.
They even had weed.
Hey, dude even offered me some weed. Hey, come to Mexico and catch a case.
Right?
Yeah. They got detailing over there.
Yeah, mobile detailing.
Yeah, he mobile detailing. I'm just saying, letting y'all see what I see. I hope they don't bump into my car. We're gonna have a problem.
Right?
All right. It was daytime when we got in this line. Huh, Puckett?
Yes, it was. We had sun shining and everything. We
Yeah.
could see the sky.
Now
it's nighttime.
Now it's nighttime. We ghost riding whip. We turned off. Boy, we about to be foot pushing, but we gonna make it happen. The gas gauge, mind playing tricks on me. Man. Oh well.
A day in the life of us car hustlers.
That's right.